In this question, we're asked to work out which of the two prizes have we got better chance of winning. If we work out the probability of winning them both as percentages, we can then compare these percentages. So for A, we have got 5 out of the 80 tickets. So to work out the percentage, we do 5 divided by 80 times 100. Using my calculator, I get 6.25%. If I do the same for B, we bought 8 tickets out of the 120 sold. So we've got 8 divided by 120 times 100. If we round our answer to 2 decimal places, we get 6.67%. So I have my percentages of the chance of winning A or the chance of winning B, and now I can compare them. Well, B is bigger, so I have a better chance of winning B. So I'd write B as 6.67% is greater than 6.25%.